I'm Stephen Foskett, organizer of Tech Field Day and Gestalt IT, and we are here in beautiful Denver, Colorado for Commvault Go. We've been coming to Commvault Go for a few years now, and we've really enjoyed the experience here. The Commvault people are great and very open and friendly, and they've shown us some great technology over the years. Today's a big day for Commvault because they've introduced some new, they introduced a brand new product just today. They made an acquisition earlier in the year, and I'm here with Rob Kaloustian to learn a little bit more about this new product. So Rob, why don't you introduce yourself, tell us a little bit about your background, and then we'll kind of get into the nuts and bolts here.
Look, I've been at Commvault for almost 20 years. Right now, I just, several months ago, went in a position in new business incubation and been working on an innovative new product line, a SaaS product line called Metallic.
That's great. And, you know, my experience as somebody who watches the storage and data protection and secondary and backup and all this kind of stuff is that the entire industry has shifted recently. We've got a lot of products now where it's not just like data protection software or archiving software or whatever, but it's integrated with a storage platform. And that kind of goes to the Commvault acquisition of Hedvig and the integration of that product, which I'm talking to Don Foster about as well in one of these videos. But in addition, there's a big shift toward SaaS and cloud and self-service. And I think you're seeing that shift as well, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We've spent time validating this with customers and various analysts. There's a big demand for SaaS-delivered solutions in the market. But as a point you pointed out earlier about data shifting, it's not all shifting at the same time. So I think it's still important for a company like Commvault to give people choice in how they consume, whether it be SaaS or the Hedvig or traditional on-prem software.
That's important because a lot of these new generation products and startups focus only on the new generation workload, only on the new thing. And of course, that misses a lot of the workload as well.
Yeah, absolutely. It's interesting, again, Commvault's been leading this industry in innovation for over 2 decades. And that's a big plus for us in being able to understand what common workflows and use cases people want. I think the approach we took in going to get fresh perspectives on what the demands were from the market gave us unique opportunity to execute on that. And specifically, some of these other companies don't have that pedigree. So to be able to deliver something that's simple, which many of them start with, but flexible and scales is a challenge for them.
Absolutely. So let's cut right to it. Tell me exactly what is Commvault Metallic? Okay,
so we'll talk about 2 things. First, Commvault Metallic is a brand. It says a Commvault venture, and we did that to be able to redefine an experience because brands are about experience. So the products we're offering in that brand or that portfolio is a SaaS portfolio of offers aimed at the common workloads, both in the cloud and on-prem, that are most common in the enterprise. Things like file SQL virtualization, endpoint, and O365 protection.
So what are the components? What is the customer buying when they sign up for Metallic, and how do they buy it?
Okay, so what are they buying? So there's 3 different offers. There's Metallic Core Backup and Recovery, Metallic Endpoint Backup and Recovery, and Metallic O365 Backup and Recovery. They can buy all 3. They can buy one, get a family discount. It's through our partners. Right now we're launching in the US, so they're available now through our partners in 12-month or annual subscriptions. What they're buying is, like any other SaaS offer, we have the infrastructure to run the environment provisioned and ready to go for them, so they can be up and running in as little as 15 minutes. I think the unique thing that we offer them compared to the rest of the industry is the option, we call it SaaS Plus, to leverage, let's say they already have their own cloud destination they'd like to make a copy to, or they, for whatever physics says, hey, I need a copy on-prem because my RTO or RPO doesn't get matched that way. They also have the option with SaaS Plus to make a copy that suits their needs on their terms.
Okay. Yeah, and I think that's the key to this product is that it doesn't require literally a truck roll, right? I mean, this is something where you sign up and before you finish your cup of coffee, you are protecting data.
Absolutely.
And that's really in line with what we're hearing from a lot of companies in this space as well. And it's exciting that that Commvault is here with this. It's also interesting that you chose to do it as a new venture instead of as just a new product.
Yeah, for us, like I said, the most important thing for us was with brand, it's all about experience. And we wanted to signal externally that we were doubling down on this. It was more than product innovation. I talked about the experience, brand new business systems, brand new channel distribution, brand new incentives, everything new that tailored to that SaaS need. The Commvault venture part of it is recognizing or tying back to all the innovation we've done over 20 years. So I think the nice thing is if you're a SaaS customer, because it's SaaS, you can leverage all that fresh innovation every day. Mm-hmm. It's always refreshed and new.
So how is this going to be, how is this experience going to work for customers? I know that, Commvault has a very strong partner ecosystem. I mean, that's been really the lifeblood and where all the, all the sales, but that's really one of the defining factors of Commvault. And I assume you're continuing with that here.
Yes, absolutely. So through our partners, 100% partner focus, we don't have a sales team quotized to this internally. We've enabled some key, we'll call them foundational partners at launch, with the ability for our existing partners to transact now while we get, fine-tune in the next 6 months what we want that program to look like. And we envision these partners while they're having those cloud conversations or SaaS conversations. We talked about SaaS Plus, that they can attach this. And to me, I talk about bidirectional attach, so that if they are selling AWS or they're selling Azure or whatever cloud or SaaS application, there's an opportunity to put Commvault there. But since we offer SaaS Plus, it's a unique opportunity compared to many of the solutions where they can sell Commvault and say, hey, do you have something for that? And they may be able to consume something they've already sold them or generate another sale. So it's really good for the partners as well.
So today, is the day before Commvault Go kicks off its partner summit, I believe.
Yes.
How have the partners been reacting to this announcement?
We've had a lot of positive reactions to the partners over the last several months in getting this ready. We're hearing great things from them. It's all positive. I think they're more interested in how they can get involved and participate.
Yeah. Well, this has been a great conversation. Thank you very much. We are recording conversations like this here at Commvault Go in Denver. Today, we'll be posting these to our YouTube channel, which just go to YouTube and search for Gestalt IT. You can also find them at gestaltit.com. And later today, from 1 to 5 Mountain Time, we're going to be doing a Tech Field Day presentation where we're actually going to get a deep dive into all of these products and services, including, I believe, an hour on Metallic.
Yes.
So that's going to be great. Are you presenting that?
I'll be involved in
You'll be involved.
Yes.
All right, great. So please do tune in. Go to techfieldday.com or find us on Facebook, Facebook/TechFieldDay, and you'll be able to watch the live presentation this afternoon. If you've missed any of this, again, just go to YouTube/TechFieldDay or YouTube, look for the Gestalt IT channel, and you'll find us there, and you can learn all about Commvault, but also a lot of other products and companies in the industry. Thanks for watching.